Imagine dropping thousands of dollars on a brand new car only to have it start falling apart before hitting 50,000 miles. Some of these vehicles have serious engine failures, transmission disasters, and even fire hazards. Today, we're counting down 7 cars that might not make it to 50,000 miles without major issues. If you're in the market for a new car, watch this first. Let's get into it. Number 1. Jeep 4xe models. First up, we have the Jeep Wrangler 4xe and Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe. These plug-in hybrid SUVs promised off-road capability with great fuel efficiency. Sounds perfect, right? Yeah, well, not so fast. Owners are experiencing hybrid battery failures, electrical glitches, and sudden shutdowns. Some vehicles are even stalling while driving, leaving drivers stranded on the road. And if you think a simple fix will do the job, think again. Replacement battery packs can cost over $11,000, and the warranty process is a headache. If you were considering a 4xe, you might want to hold off, unless you love expensive repairs. Owners report software malfunctions, battery failures, and expensive hybrid system repairs. Electrical issues cause the vehicle to shut down unexpectedly, leading to serious safety concerns. Warranty claims on these models have skyrocketed, making long-term reliability a serious concern. Number 2. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. If you need a family-friendly hybrid minivan, you might be looking at the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. But let me warn you, this van has serious hybrid system failures. Owners report battery defects, software glitches, and sudden power loss. Some even say their Pacifica Hybrid refuses to start randomly, sometimes leaving them stranded with their kids in the car. And if you think warranty claims are easy, think again. Some owners are waiting months just to get replacement parts. Battery and charging system failures have left many owners stranded. Engine shutdowns and stalling issues are common, leading to costly repairs. Chrysler's track record with reliability is already shaky, and this hybrid only adds to the concerns. Number 3. Nissan Rogue. Nissan's Rogue is a bestseller, but its engine is a disaster waiting to happen. Many Rogue owners report excessive oil consumption, stalling, and even total engine failure before hitting 50,000 miles. Some drivers have been left with 7,000 plus repair bills just to keep their cars running. And the worst part? Nissan has a history of denying warranty claims, leaving owners frustrated and out of pocket. One of the best-selling crossovers, but it comes with major transmission issues. The CVT, continuously variable transmission, is known to overheat, slip, and fail before 50,000 miles. Owners also report problems with electrical components, such as failing infotainment systems and sensors. Repair costs for transmission replacements are steep, and many experience issues even after repairs. Number 4. Ford Bronco Sport. Now here's a car you'd think is built to last, the Ford Bronco Sport. It's stylish, rugged, and perfect for adventure. Or is it? Unfortunately, some Bronco Sport models have had serious engine issues, leading to oil leaks and even engine fires. Ford has already recalled thousands of models for fire risks, but owners are still reporting dangerous overheating problems. If you were eyeing this compact SUV, you might want to wait for Ford to work out these kinks. A fun, rugged SUV, but plagued with early mechanical failures. Engine and transmission issues, including oil leaks and unexpected stalling, have frustrated owners. The build quality has also been questioned, with reports of rattling, poor seals, and premature wear. Despite its appeal, Bronco Sport struggles with long-term dependability. Number 5. Infiniti QX50. Once upon a time, Infiniti was a luxury brand you could count on. But the Infiniti QX50? Not so much. One of the biggest problems? The CVT transmission. Owners report jerky shifting, delayed acceleration, and complete transmission failures within the first 50,000 miles. And if you think Infiniti's warranty has you covered, think again. Some drivers say their warranty claims were denied, or they had to fight to get Infiniti to pay for repairs. Luxury crossover that falls short on reliability. The variable compression turbo engine, while innovative, has serious mechanical flaws. Transmission issues, oil consumption problems, and electrical malfunctions are common. Infiniti's reliability ratings continue to drop, making this a risky purchase. Number 6. Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra. If you're buying a truck, you expect it to last. But if you own a Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra, you might be in for a rude awakening. These trucks have been plagued by lifter failures, electrical issues, and transmission breakdowns. And now, they're facing multiple class action lawsuits. Imagine spending $70,000 on a truck only for the engine to fail before 50,000 miles. Some owners have had multiple transmission replacements in just a few years. Full-size trucks should be built to last, but these models are proving otherwise. Transmission failures and engine problems have surfaced early in ownership. Issues with the 8-speed automatic transmission, including hard shifts and failure, are widely reported. Electronic glitches, including infotainment failures and dashboard malfunctions, make these trucks frustrating to own. Number 7. GMC Yukon, Chevy Tahoe, and Cadillac Escalade. And finally, let's talk about some of the most popular full-size SUVs on the market: the GMC Yukon, Chevy Tahoe, and Cadillac Escalade. These SUVs are known for transmission failures, rough shifting, and complete breakdowns. Some owners report their transmissions failing before 50,000 miles. And since these SUVs cost up to $110,000, you'd expect reliability, right? Well, many owners aren't so lucky. If you're in the market for a full-size SUV, you might want to check out other brands first. And there you have it. These full-size SUVs share a platform and, unfortunately, the same problems. Transmission and engine failures lead the complaints, with many requiring major repairs before 40,000 miles. Air suspension failures in the Escalade cause expensive and frustrating repair bills. Reliability ratings have consistently declined due to frequent mechanical and electrical problems. 7 cars that might not make it to 50,000 miles without some serious issues. Did we mention a car you've had problems with? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.